What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint for a new business? A business you can start today with a powerful AI tech stack that finds your clients for you and then helps you manage the entire operation. This isn't just a review, this is a business plan. Hey everyone, it's Mike from Mike's AI Forge. Today, I'm showing you how to combine two incredibly powerful platforms to create a B2B service agency from scratch. We'll use one AI to build a perfect list of clients and another to build our entire project plan. Let's get started. The first part of any business is client acquisition. For this, our engine is a tool called Explee. Think of it as an intelligence agency for business data. To show you its raw power, we'll start broad with a search for the lastest AI tools. We get thousands of results, which is impressive, but not actionable. So let's build our business model. We're going to be an agency that provides a specialized service. Let's say digital marketing. Our first step is to find clients. We'll search Explee for marketing agency in Los Angeles. This gives us over 11,000 potential leads. This is where the real work begins. We need to refine this. Using the filters, we tell the AI we want an exact match for marketing agency. Then we set the location, not as a keyword, but as a hard filter for the United States and the city of Los Angeles. With those simple steps, we've just cut through 90% of the noise. We have a list of over 1,300 highly qualified leads. These are our potential first clients. That's step one of our business plan, complete. Now for step two, operations. A list of leads is useless without a system to manage them. For this, we'll use our business headquarters, ClickUp. We're starting with a fresh account to show you how clean this is. We'll quickly set up the workspace, telling it we're focused on marketing. This will be our command center for every client project we take on. Inside our new workspace, we'll create our first project. And what do we name it? The exact search that got us our leads. Marketing agency in Los Angeles. This keeps our work perfectly organized from day one. Now, here's where we leverage AI to build our business for us. Instead of manually creating a plan, we'll use ClickUp's built-in AI. We ask it to write with AI and give it our task title. Instantly, the AI generates a complete project brief. It's outlining the objectives, the key steps, and the entire strategy for engaging these potential clients. This is our instant statement of work. We insert this plan, assign it to ourselves, and set a due date, and there it is. In just a few minutes, we've gone from an idea to a list of qualified clients, and now to a fully documented project with a strategic plan. So what's the business idea here? You become an AI-powered lead generation specialist. You use Explee to build these hyper-targeted client lists for other businesses, law firms, tech startups, anyone. You can sell these lists directly, or you can offer a full-service outreach campaign, and you manage every single one of your clients inside ClickUp. Each client gets their own project, their own tasks, and you can use the AI to generate reports and strategies for them. You're not just selling data, you're selling an organized, intelligent service. Using this exact method, you could find clients who need your clients. A search for AI B2B SaaS could uncover tools like Astro System, which builds AI websites, or Lessy AI, a tool for finding specific employees. You could then connect these software companies with the marketing agencies you just found. You become the connector, the B2B matchmaker with a scalable system for managing it all. So, what have we built today? Not just a workflow, but a business model. A way to use AI for precision client discovery and intelligent operational management. Using this exact method, you could find clients who need your clients. A search for AI B2B SaaS could uncover tools like Astrosystem, which builds AI websites, or Lessee AI, a tool for finding specific employees. You could then connect these software companies with the marketing agencies you just found. You become the connector, the B2B matchmaker with a scalable system for managing it all. So, what have we built today? Not just a workflow, but a business model, a way to use AI for precision client discovery and intelligent operational management. Let's dive deeper into that idea of finding specific people. A tool like Lessee AI is designed to be your AI agent for people search. This is the next layer of our business model. It's not enough to find a company. You need to find the right person inside that company. Lessee allows you to find influencers, clients, or experts with incredible granularity. Look at this. You can run a search for find 50 current OpenAI employees. The AI doesn't just scrape a website, it understands your intent, it builds a structured search, pulls from multiple databases, and then presents you with a clean, verified list of individuals, complete with their titles, LinkedIn profiles, and even an option to check for their email. This is how you go from targeting a company to opening a conversation with a specific person, like a head of engineering or a lead researcher. You can get even more specific. Find senior AI engineers with fintech and YC experience. This is a professional headhunter's search query, and you can execute it in seconds. The business model here is powerful. You could build an entire recruitment agency just by connecting the talent you find here with the companies you discover on Explee. The opportunities are massive. Welcome to Mike's AI Forge. I've created a central hub that brings together all the essential, battle-tested AI utilities you need to build your own projects and businesses, and I'm making it available to my community for free. We have a hand-picked AI tools directory, so you can discover the best-in-class software without having to spend hours searching. These are the tools I personally use and test. More importantly, we have the Forge utilities. These are powerful, one-click tools I built to solve real problems for creators and entrepreneurs. Need a viral title for your video? Use the title and hooks generator. Now I want to hear from you. What kind of business would you build with this workflow? Drop your agency idea in the comments below. If you got value from this blueprint and want more actionable AI strategies, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for forging with me today.